we are at Fatehpur Sikri, the city which is built by Mughal Empire Akbar. This is the main way for go to the access for Mughal heritage buildings. There are two, whenever you visit the Fatehpur Sikri, there are two type of public transport from which you can get access to Mughal building. One is the bus and second one is the old fort. The other type of public transport and private transport are totally prohibited from there. We are at Buland Darwaza, which is located in Fatehpur Sikri. Buland Darwaza was built by Akbar after the conquest of Gujarat in 1573. The height of this door is 176 feet from the ground. This is the tallest door in the world. After going inside through this door, there is a Shahi Idgah to its west where people offer namaz. And when you go inside this door, there is a there is a Ibadat Khana where Akbar sits and talk about different details. So please be with me. We are talking about different type of monument which is located in this premises. Thank you. Where I am standing right now is the main premise of Mughal buildings. On this side, this is Jodha Palace, which is built by Akbar for his wife Jodha Begum. And the other side, this is Badshahi Darwaja, from which Akbar used to go through to Jodha Palace. This is the main premise of Mughal buildings. Now we are going to explore other buildings of Mughal architecture. So let's come with me. Standing in front of Badshahi Darwaja, which is also known as Royal Door. When you see that building, you see the highest level of Mughal architecture. When you go inside, there is a mosque, also a Dargah of Hazrat Sheikh Salim Chishti. It was due to the prayer of Hazrat Sheikh that Akbar was blessed with a son. Now we are exploring the other buildings of Mughal architecture, so let's come with me. See all that buildings. Look at that. This is the backyard of Badshahi Darwaza. The road where I stand is leads to Hiran. Hiran was the name of Akbar's most favorite elephant. Akbar's most favorite elephant, whose tomb was built by Akbar, and whose tomb was built by Hiran. The height of that building is 69 feet. Inside that building, there is a grave of elephant which is named as Hiran. We are at the another building of Mughal architecture, which is named as Caravanserai. When you see that building, you see several type of small rooms where people stay. After staying, going to conclude in previous section, we are talking about different type of monument which is located in Fatehpur Sikri. Thank you for being with me. I feel very grateful to share this information with you. Thank you.